everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Thank you so much for hanging out here with me for a few minutes today. Today I'm going to show you how we build our solo cup holder. And this is just a box with a hole here for a marker and a place for you to stack up solo cups in here. Really cool. It is absolutely one of our most popular items. It's really easy to make, and of course you can get them from us, but if you want to try making one yourself, it's really not that hard. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to draw it out, then we're going to walk through putting it together real quick, and that's it. All right, here we go. Okay, for our solo cup holder, we're going to start out with some 1x3s. We're going to have a couple of those that we're going to cut 5.5 inches long, a couple 4 inches long. We're going to have a 3/4 inch piece of plywood that's going to be 4x4. Then we're going to need some brads and some glue, and we're also going to need a 1/2 inch drill bit to drill the hole where the sharpie goes. And that's it. Now we're ready to touch it up, sand it, and she'll be ready to go. All right, guys, that is it. That was easy. I told you it was going to be easy. Really, really easy, really simple. Didn't take very long to do it, but I hope you learned something by watching this. Hey, if you have any questions about this or anything else we do, please get in touch with us. You can find us online at www.applevalleyfarmga.com, or you can email me if you want to at info@applevalleyfarmga.com, or look for us on all of your favorite social media sites. We should be there, here, there, everywhere. All right, thank you. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. It's a plastic barrel. Thank you very much. I don't know why we call it a solo cup holder, because it doesn't just hold one cup, which it doesn't have to have. Okay. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. Yes, like 25,000 solo cups. I'm rambling again, aren't I? I mean, I didn't. Why do I keep doing that? Whew, excuse me. That was a bad one.